Like, that's literally where my journey started. What's going on, guys? We're back in New York right now. I want to make this quick video and document this. That cafe right there that you see, I started my journey there. It's where I first got my first ever job. I was doing dishes, breakfast sandwiches, stuff like that. Like, that's literally where my journey started, and like actually making money and like accumulating wealth and saving money and learning financial stuff, and just like so dope. And the best part is the guy who owned it, he picked me up from the airport today, and we still have a good connection. So it's really cool that I get to share those small memories with like such awesome people, and like be able to document stuff like this. It's crazy, man. Like, document and create will always be the most important thing that you ever do. A lot of people don't want to post. A lot of people don't want to document their past because they think that they have like skeletons, or it's like negative to share their past. Like, that's where your prime years and you priming as an individual were made. Like, never be afraid of things that you used to do or currently do, whatever the case may be. Like, that's you. Be happy about who you are, and like, goddamn, man, like, I literally started at a cafe. Like, anybody can start, anybody can do something to get themselves to get a foot in the door. Like, it's all possible for you. It just takes fucking effort.